Emily, a 28-year-old teacher, saved $15,000 in 1 year while earning less than $40,000. She didn't stop enjoying life. She just learned to spend smarter. Stories like Emily's show why frugality matters more than ever in 2025. Prices are rising. Groceries, rent, and gas cost more. Many people are living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to save or avoid debt. It's stressful, but here's the good news. Frugality is not about being cheap or giving up what you love. It's about making smart decisions, finding value in what you spend, and saving without feeling deprived. Frugality in 2025 is different. It's creative, modern, and practical. You can use technology, adopt simple habits, and learn to live with intention. By saving more and spending wisely, you'll gain peace of mind and freedom for the future. Frugality isn't a sacrifice. It's the key to living better. Number 1. The new face of frugality in 2025. It's not what you think. When people hear the word frugal, they often think of being cheap, cutting coupons, or giving up everything fun. But in 2025, frugality has a new face. It's about spending smart, not spending less. Frugality today is not about living without. It's about getting more value for your money. For example, instead of buying the cheapest shoes that fall apart in 6 months, people are investing in high-quality shoes that last for years. It's not about skipping vacations either. Many people now use travel rewards and smart planning to enjoy trips without overspending. Technology has also made saving money easier. Apps track spending, cancel and use subscriptions, and help find the best deals online. AI tools like shopping bots can automatically compare prices so you save time and money. The big idea for 2025? Spend with intention. People are learning to cut out waste, not joy. They're saving money on things they don't really need, so they can afford the things that matter, like experiences, security, and peace of mind. This new version of frugality isn't boring or limiting. It's about being wise with money while still enjoying life to the fullest. Number 2. Micro habits. Small changes with big impact. Saving money doesn't always require big sacrifices. Sometimes, the smallest habits can make the biggest difference. These micro habits are simple, daily actions that help you save without much effort. For example, try the 1-minute rule. Before buying something, stop for 1 minute and ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I still want it tomorrow? This quick pause helps avoid impulse purchases that can add up over time. Another easy habit is using roundup apps like Acorns or Chime. These apps round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and save the extra change automatically. If you spend $3.50 on coffee, the app saves 50 cents for you. Over time, this spare change can grow into hundreds of dollars. The Save Your Raise challenge is another simple habit. Whenever you get a raise, bonus, or any extra money, save a portion of it instead of spending it all. Since you're already used to living on your old income, saving the difference feels painless. Another powerful micro habit is tracking small daily expenses. Most people underestimate how much they spend on snacks, subscriptions, or drinks. Using an app or a notebook to write down every purchase can reveal spending habits you didn't notice. These small changes don't feel hard or overwhelming. Yet, when practiced consistently, they can lead to surprising savings. Micro habits prove that saving money doesn't have to be drastic. Small steps can lead to big wins over time. Number 3. Minimalism and the art of decluttering debt. Minimalism isn't just about owning fewer things. It's about focusing on what truly matters. When you simplify your life, you save money, reduce stress, and even clear debt faster. Think about this. The average American spends nearly $18,000 a year on non-essential items, like clothes, gadgets, or dining out. Much of this spending comes from buying things we don't actually need or use. Start with decluttering your home. Look around and ask yourself, do I really use this? Does this item add value to my life? If the answer is no, sell it. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Declutter, or eBay make it easy to turn unused items into cash. Use that money to pay down debt or add to your savings. Minimalism also helps you avoid future debt. Before making a purchase, use the $100 rule. If the item isn't worth at least $100 to keep or doesn't bring lasting value, don't buy it. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. For example, one good pair of shoes is better than 5 cheap ones that wear out quickly. Minimalism doesn't mean deprivation. It means spending your money on things that truly matter, like paying off debt, saving for your dreams, or enjoying meaningful experiences. By clearing out the clutter in your home and your spending habits, you free up both money and mental space. Minimalism can help you focus on what really matters while building a healthier financial future. Number 4. The rise of the 2025 sustainable saver. In 2025, saving money and helping the planet will go hand in hand. This new kind of saver, the sustainable saver, is someone who saves money by making eco-friendly choices. It's a win-win. You save cash and the environment benefits too. Take the rise of the secondhand economy. Buying pre-loved items like clothes, furniture, or electronics is growing faster than ever. Thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, and platforms like Poshmark or Declutter make it easy to find high-quality secondhand goods at a fraction of the price. A report by ThredUp predicts that resale shopping will grow by 127% by 2026, showing how people are embracing sustainable, budget-friendly options. Another way to save sustainably is to cut food waste. Households throw away hundreds of dollars in spoiled food each year. Simple habits like meal planning, freezing leftovers, or using apps like Flash Food help you buy smarter and waste less. You'll save money and reduce your environmental impact. People are also embracing buy-it-for-life products. Instead of buying cheap items that break quickly, they invest in durable, high-quality products that last for years. For example, stainless steel water bottles or energy-efficient appliances save money in the long run by reducing waste and replacement costs. Even small habits like growing vegetables at home, switching to reusable bags, or using solar-powered gadgets add up. These choices not only lower monthly expenses, but also reduce energy use and waste. The sustainable saver proves that being eco-friendly doesn't cost more, it saves more. By adopting small, green habits, you can save money while living a more thoughtful, responsible lifestyle. It's the future of smart saving in 2025 and beyond. Number 5. AI and tech tools for the frugal saver. In 2025, saving money is smarter and easier thanks to AI and technology. New tools help people spend less, track their money, and save without even thinking about it. Take budgeting apps like InNab, You Need a Budget, or Rocket Money. These tools connect to your bank account, track every dollar you spend, and show where you can cut back. They also help you set goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off debt, and keep you on track. Another popular tool is subscription cancelers like Truebill or Trim. Many people forget they're paying for streaming services, gym memberships, or apps they don't use. These tools scan your expenses, identify and use subscriptions, and help you cancel them instantly. AI is also changing how people shop. Tools like Honey and Capital One Shopping automatically find coupon codes and discounts when you buy online. They compare prices across websites and help you get the best deal without any effort. For groceries, apps like Flash Food or Too Good To Go offer big discounts on food nearing its expiration date. This saves money and reduces food waste. Tech tools take the stress out of saving. They automate small tasks like finding deals, cutting unused expenses, and tracking spending, so you can save time and money. With AI and tech, Frugality in 2025 is simple, smart, and more accessible than ever. Number 6. Redefining luxury. Frugality without feeling deprived. Many people think being frugal means giving up luxury, but that's not true. In 2025, luxury is being redefined. It's no longer about expensive brands or flashy items. It's about value, meaning, and enjoying what truly matters. For example, instead of spending hundreds of dollars dining at fancy restaurants, many people are recreating gourmet meals at home. Cooking with fresh ingredients not only saves money, but feels just as special as eating out. Travel is another area where frugality meets luxury. Instead of expensive flights and hotels, people are using credit card rewards, loyalty programs, and travel hacks to enjoy vacations for less. Staying at unique, affordable places like Airbnb or taking road trips creates memorable experiences without the high cost. The key is to spend intentionally. Cut back on things that don't bring you joy, like unused subscriptions, impulse purchases, or fast fashion, and save for what does. Maybe it's a quality pair of shoes that lasts for years, or a spa day at home with DIY treatments. Luxury doesn't have to mean expensive. It's about enjoying life in a way that feels meaningful and guilt-free. By being smart with money, you can still enjoy little luxuries without breaking the bank. Frugality isn't about sacrifice, it's about getting the most joy from every dollar. Frugality in 2025 is about living smarter. By making small changes, you can save money without feeling deprived. The new face of frugality is about being intentional with your spending and finding joy in what truly matters. Whether it's decluttering debt, embracing sustainability, or redefining luxury, small steps can lead to big financial wins. Saving money doesn't have to be hard or boring. With creativity and smart choices, you can build a brighter, stress-free future, $1 at a time. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.